going on Instagram? What's going on Queen? Cormier, Big Medicine, Rodriguez, what's going on guys? Danny, Hulk, King, what's going on everyone? Alright, so I'm gonna get everything set up here. Please like us, or good to have you guys on, good to have you guys in. Give me about 1 minute or so to get everything set up. Today's day 97 on the account challenge, GreenDay. Some stocks that ran today. Tops. What's another one? CYCC. Okay. Edit this picture here. Change documents. Put that there. Alright. Alrighty guys, so let's go ahead and get started today. So again, please like and subscribe to the channel. Click the icon to alert you if I make new videos. I'm going to post this on my social media quick, per always. Hopefully you guys are having a great trading day. Small caps. There's that. Alright. What's going on, Dr. Miami? Let me post this stuff on social media quick. Second here, trading floor. What's going on, guys? Just gonna post this on social media quick. There we go. Alright. Cool, so we're live. We're live and ready to go. Alright. Let's see here. So, let's get started today. As you guys can see, we're up just under $16,000 on the day. I pulled my profits out for the day. My trading account is now up to $175,000 in equity, and that's kind of what I'm trading with right now, is about $175,000 in equity. Anything above that, I pull the profits from. So if I get above 175,000, then in the end I end up pulling profits. So today I made 15,800. I pulled all those profits today, and that's just the way I trade. Every $100,000 I've been kind of increasing my my trading equity every 25,000. So if I get to 800,000, I'll probably raise it to $200,000 equity. 900,000, $225,000 equity, and then $1,250,000 equity, so on and so forth, right? So every $100,000, I raise my buying power up about $25,000. But so yeah, guys, let's just go over today's trading day real quick. And as you guys can see, here's all my results on my trades. I gotta re-sign in 1 second here. There's that. So as you guys can see, I've been having a lot of green days, and ever since I hit 25,000, we've never really looked back. It's been pretty much up and up over the past couple months here. We had this little slip up here, but no real huge fall down, no real huge takedown. A lot of my other account challenges, I have that huge takedown where it's like I lose half my account. So yeah, I might share, my my trader view guide here, or my trader view with the video series students. I kind of don't know how to do that, but I was looking into doing something like that because I feel like you guys want to kind of see every single trade that I make, the amount of share size, etc., etc. I'm kind of learning how to try and do that. I don't really know how to, but so far, here's my account challenge. So far $1,000 into about $717,205.49 on this, all starting with $1,000 in 97 days. So we're closing in on $750,000 on the month. We're up to about $217,798.47. Last month we did about almost $500,000. So looking to continue that up. I'd like to. It'd be awesome to see if I could do $500,000 every month. That'd be awesome to kind of prove to myself. So, that's just kind of the way I've been trading as of late. I've been on a nice roll, and just got to continue this momentum going forward. And so yeah, let's go ahead and obviously my largest loss, my largest win. That's the one thing I hate about this challenge is my largest gain is almost the same size as my largest loss because of an offering. If you guys don't remember, I lost $71,000 on AIKI on an offering. You guys can see I longed here and started selling down here off the offering. I got stuck in an offering, and that's so far been one of my biggest losses, or it is my biggest loss, and that one day was last week. I came all the way back, though. If it wasn't for that one loss, we'd be up to over $250,000 this month. But at the end of the day, I'm here to be reality. I'm here to show you guys, that everything happens for a reason. And I'm gonna take losses. I'm gonna have red days. Hopefully not $60,000 to $70,000 red days, but things happen. But as long as you keep your mindset, your emotional, psychological capabilities in check, and just continue to keep your head up and continue to grind things out. I'm here to motivate you guys. One thing that might motivate you guys is this. I'll go ahead and show you guys this. The reason why I do this for you for free on these daily lesson recaps and everything is because I'm here to motivate you guys. In all reality, I can have a perfectly fine living the rest of my life with what I've done in my trading career, but I'm basically giving back to you guys. I have a free chat room, free daily lesson recap. I have my video series guide, which actually costs, and then my scanner software that costs. But I give a ton away for free in my chat room, and you will see. I don't know if anybody does that. Anybody that's doing what I'm doing, I have no idea. I don't think anybody gives it away for free. I don't think they have a free chat room. I don't think they have free educational resources. The main thing is the chat room. That's the biggest thing. But obviously the resources and all that. And when I come on my daily lesson recaps for you guys for about 30 minutes a day as well, I do it for you. I'm doing this because I want you guys to succeed. I'm trying to be the best mentor, the best teacher, the best person that I can be to you guys to hopefully get you guys kick-started in the right positive way. Obviously, it's never perfect. Obviously, nothing's ever 100%, but I do my best, and I try to give back as much as I can every single day. So hopefully you guys are learning a lot throughout these recaps and these daily lessons and on Instagram Live and things like that, because that's why I'm on here. And at the end of the day, I don't like to waste my time, because every minute of every day I'm obviously trying to be productive as I can. So hopefully you guys get a lot out of these free daily lesson recaps and things like that, and hopefully you guys get out a lot of my free chat room and my free YouTube channel and things like this. So, but anyways, so obviously, let's go back to 2019 when I started with $1,000, okay? And why is it that it never shows the 2019 stats? There we go. So 2019. Okay. So 2019 here. This is 2019. Okay. So in November, my first month of the account challenge, I made in a month, okay, $943.40. I believe, though, I started like late that month. But in December, all of December, I made $2,032.72. Okay? That's all of December, the entire month. I made $2,032.72. That's reality. Okay? In the entire month. Okay? Now, I don't know why 2019. Oh, here we go. And then in the entire month of January, I made $5,878.79 in the entire month. Okay? Then in February, this is when I started to kick things up. When I got away from PDT and I got my account above 25,000, I didn't have to use as much overnight strategies. I didn't have to swing trade. I could get in and out of multiple stocks when things were running. I could shift my capital in certain stocks and things like that. $40,440.74 on the month. On the entire month. Okay? This all started with $1,000. And then in the month of March, this is when I broke out, getting above PDT. Okay? I did a total of $450,950.51 on the month. Okay? That's 1 month. And right now we're about halfway through April, just over that. I'm up $217,798.47 on the month. Okay? So I say this to motivate you guys. Okay? I say this to be transparent with you guys. I say this to show you guys that starting with $1,000 and starting slow isn't necessarily a bad thing. Again, in 2 months trading, I did a total of about just under $8,000 in December and January. Okay? Things take time. Good things take time. But when you get things rolling, okay, things can happen quick. Okay? And I hope that I'm motivating you guys. And I hope that this is being as transparent to you guys. Hopefully you guys are learning a lot from this. But you don't need to make $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 right off the bat. Okay? Or even $1,000 right off the bat, or even $500 off the bat. In the very beginning, I was making, $100 a day, losing $50, making $150, losing $75, But compounding and growing my account and learning as I go paid off significantly. And I've done these challenges before, so I can be the one firsthand to say this is reality. This is, this is exactly what happens, okay? But, okay, so now, let's go ahead and go over today's trading day. I hope that really motivated you guys in the end to show you guys that, even if you made $75 today or $50 today or lost $50 today, okay? Things can go quick, okay? If you have a correct process, a correct strategy, correct mindset, you have your emotional and psychological capabilities in check, and you stay disciplined, okay? Good things can happen. So, I hope that means something to you guys. Now, this is all my stats. I mean, I don't know, my average number of winning and losing trades, I'm 50-50. A lot of mentors and teachers out there tell you that winning percentage is everything, okay? That's not the truth. I'm going to be the first one to admit it. It's not the truth, okay? I'm here to show you firsthand. I've turned $1,000 into $717,000 in 97 days with a 50% win rate. Why is that, though? Okay? You might be like, okay, how is that possible? Why am I saying you don't need to win that much? Well, the reality is it has to do with your sizing and what you size up on. Okay, and Jordan has actually helped me. You know, he's one of the people in my room that has been having the most successes as of late. He's an educator. He did $70,000, or what did he do? $60,000 or $70,000 last week. And he doesn't know. No one else knows how I trade more than that guy. Okay, and my point is he showed me one thing as well, and that's how I did about $16,000 today. I didn't realize how much little trades can add up. $500, $300, $1,000. So today I was focusing on smaller trades. Now, if I see a home run potential setup, yeah, I'll size up, okay? And really, I mean, there's somebody in my room who made, I'm not going to name their name. I don't know if they want that, but I'll show you the P&L, okay? And this person had one of their biggest trades today. This person's been watching my YouTube videos every day for a long time now. I think he said it for a long time now. Learning a lot from what we're doing here at normacmiltrading.com. He was up $338,989.43 on MBY. Okay, super happy for him. He was close to beating my best trade in my career, but not quite. But still, I mean, that's insane, guys. Okay, and that's a small cap, right? There is massive potential in trading. Okay, so every day I'm learning new things. You know, there's another person I learned from that, you know, just buys bottom bouncers, and he allocates his account to 10 to 12 different stocks that could be 8 cents, 10 cents, 20-cent stocks, but he puts $50, $60, $100,000 in every one of these stocks, and it just takes one big pop to make that $100,000, $200,000 trade. Okay, I learned from everyone. Okay. You should never be shy from learning from any one person, okay? And I'm never shy from learning from lots of people until the end of my career, whenever that is. Long, long time from now, okay? It's about learning learning strategies that work, learning processes that have proven themselves over and over and over again, okay? So this is all my stats. You know, it's about when I size up, and I have big wins. Average winning trade, $2,500. Average losing trade, $1,000. Okay, so I might be 50% win rate, but every time I take a trade, I'm $1,500 richer, basically, right now. So if I make 10 trades in a day, I'm up, 15 grand, right? If I make 20 trades in a day, I'm up 30 grand. But it's not how it is. I'm just showing you guys my stats and exactly holding myself to those stats. Okay. My average hold time has gone down significantly ever since I have PDT, but it's still average hold time is about 11 to 12 hours. Okay. So yeah, I mean, I don't know what else to look at. Thursdays seem to be my biggest days. I usually win the biggest trades about 10 o'clock. Performance by the year, intraday, multi-day, 306,000 multi-day, 411,000 intraday. All those stats. Okay, win versus loss days. Total gains. 22 losing days. 71,000 total gains and losses. 483,000. Yeah. So on my losing days, I take 62% losers. On my winning days, it's about 50-50. Looks like. I mean, there's a ton of stats here. I don't even know what half of these mean. Okay. But anyways, let's go over today's trading day, all right? Hopefully those stats mean something to you, and you can kind of analyze that. But, all right, so today one of my bigger trades was APT. APT is a very liquid, very starting to trade a ton of volume. I've traded this so many times. It's just got things everywhere, okay? I like this one. I was scalping it. I bought 1,000 shares at $13.77, added and then sold out up here. My second trade was where I don't know where the price is. It looks like $14.20, and I was out like $14.30, and the rest kind of out at $14.25. Yeah, I'll maximize the sell here. GLBS, which is actually grinding after hours. I debated holding this one overnight. I'm holding a different shipper overnight. I am holding a shipper overnight, just so you guys know. I was buying this one on the dip, kind of selling it into the rip, and then I was debating whether, my overnight ideas were all shippers. If you guys didn't notice that, for a reason, and the reason is this oil has to be stored somewhere. This oil thing has got to be stored somewhere, and everybody's starting to realize that these tankers are going to be the ones taking on all the stock for these oil companies, right? You got to put this oil somewhere, and where that's going to be is these shipping companies, right? PXS, GLBS, CTRM, Ship, Tops. Okay, people are catching on to that. I made, how much did I make on this? $2,000. It'd be cool if I was holding overnight, but I'm holding a different shipper overnight, and that's just the name of the game. GLBS was another trade. What was my other big trade? So OPTT. OPTT was a weird one. I kind of, really kind of screwed it up. I was up as much as 15,000 or 12,000. I can't remember my P&L on this one. But as you guys, I'm chasing it up first off because I saw Mask News, and Mask News has done a lot for me lately. Anything mask-wise has been huge lately, okay? So I immediately was like, oh crap, like I gotta go long. So obviously I'm chasing this one. You can see me chasing up here. Then I'm like, alright, I'm buying the dips because I wanted to take advantage of dips because my plan was to hold this through through high day. So as you guys can see, I held through high day, took off 11,000 shares. I rebought some more down in this dip, sold some more, and then what happened here was, so the volume was heavy to me, and we were getting higher lows, but the level 2 in time and sales right in here, and I was just noticing all this price action. I wasn't in love with it. Okay, the level 2 was kind of heavy. It kind of felt like it was trading SSR, which is a good thing for the longs, but I got out. But what made me get out, okay, what made me get out was the fact that this time in sales in level 2 was looking very, very poor, right in here. And, obviously I should have scaled out everything here or in here, but I'm not a perfect trader, I obviously didn't do that. I was trying to buy the dips, sell the rips, but we didn't get that huge move. I thought maybe we'd get over $1 on this one. I really did. These mask plays have been showing huge potential. But when we got to here and through here, I was like, okay, these are weird moves. This price action and the level 2 every time was like, it was so heavy on the ask, and then it would pop through it, but then it would just be this like fluttering effect, and it's kind of hard to explain. But learning time and sales on level 2 is important. Okay, and you can see I'm scaling out the last here. I had tiny shares left, just in case we got through high day or start. So I had a little bit of left just to add into if I felt comfortable. If we got back above VWAP, I'm gonna add it into it and break through high day. But I scaled out once we clearly got below VWAP on volume, and then this thing faded off worse than I could have ever imagined. So I still made, what did I make on it? $5,600 on it. So it was nice, but at the end of the day, it was disappointing to see this thing not continue, obviously. What was some other stocks that I was trading today? Apron, Blue Apron, I lost $500 on. TNXP, I lost $400 on. VUZI, I lost $150 on. Made $350 on Oil USO. So let's show Blue Apron and EROS. So Apron to start. Apron, I was trying to get a hang of this, and I couldn't get a hang of it. I took a $500 loser on this one today. And then what else? What else? Let's see. Apron, and then what's the other one here? So Apron, I took a $500 loser. Oh, and then EROS, I traded decently on. It got a big washout, and I was buying these dips, and I sold into this pop here. Good thing I didn't hold too much longer. I was trying to hold through 340, but you know that could have cost me all my profits. So I made about $1,000 on it. But again, there's just a quick trade. You know, that's what Jordan's strategies have showed me, is nothing wrong with taking $1,000 and wiping it clean and moving on, right? Those $1,000 winners can really add up, okay? And today was living proof of that. And I think that's really going to help my trading game, is taking winners when I have them and knowing when to hit home runs when I see them, right? I've been kind of poor. You know, I've never been good at taking those $500, $1,000, $2,000 winners, especially when I had this account size, until I saw Jordan. And I'm like, you know what? Screw it. You know, I better take these $500, $1,000 winners off the table more often than I don't, okay? And that's going to help my trading in the future. Okay. So, here is a scan today. OPTT 4697 on our Normac-Noel low float momentum scan. We're at 70% from our alerts on our scanner here at normacnoeltrading.com. If you guys are interested again in you know, checking out how to learn my strategies and processes that help me turn $1,000 into just over $717,000 in 97 business days, I have a course. It's basically a classroom. It goes over exactly all my strategies that I use to do this. If you're interested in learning that, check that link in the description below. Just posted in the top chat as well. And you know, it's a lot cheaper than student loans, and it has no student debt, and it's a one-time payment, and you have it for the rest of your life. So it's up to you, though. If you want to learn my strategies and my processes, you know, it's up to you. Also, you can go through all my my daily lesson recaps on my YouTube channel for free. I have a free chat room as well. I do swing trade a little bit, and I am trade a little bit of options as well, but not a ton right now. Trying to complete this account challenge, and then you know, we'll see what happens from there. So, I mean, obviously I'm killing it in small caps, and I do trade some blue chips and some mid caps as well, especially when they're hot. So you'll see that as well throughout my account challenge. But yeah, so yeah, the OPTT, it didn't work out as well as I would have thought of. You know, it was unfortunate, but again, not everything goes your way, and at least I walked away green. I could have easily turned that into a big losing trade, so I was proud of myself the way that I handled that. Yeah, so I have a Kia Sportage, a 2007 Kia Sportage, but I just recently got a Ford Raptor because it's kind of my dream car. You know, I don't really want to be driving around in a Ferrari or anything. The only reason why I do that is to show you guys, you know, basically to motivate you guys, you know. Anything, if I buy Rolexes, if I buy Ferraris, if I buy all that crap, it's only just to motivate you guys. It's not because I necessarily... Although when I got the Raptor, I kind of like going fast. I'm not going to lie. I didn't realize how much I like horsepower, but obviously with my I call it the Kia Sportage lawnmower. I didn't know what that meant until I got into the Ford Raptor. But no, I didn't get into any CYCC or any BNTC. That's basically all I played today. You know, UAVS I took a small loss on. It's one of my watches in it tomorrow. Watching shippers in it tomorrow. And yeah, they're a depreciating asset for sure. IR 1003198. That's why I don't like buying cars, but yeah, in the end, I'm basically doing this honestly mainly to increase my credit. I don't have a lot of credit. So, anyways, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. Sorry, guys, I can't believe I just took a bite on the channel. Click the icon to alert if I make new videos. I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? Check out the links in the description below. I recommend it. Share me on your social media. My chat room's 100% for free. @StocksToGo Twitter. @StocksToGo Twitter. Just say, you know, just check out the $1,000 to $1 million challenge that, you know, this guy's doing. Shout me out on Twitter. I'd really appreciate that. Hopefully we can motivate more people out there, to, especially during these times, to potentially start trying to learn how to trade or finding a new income or creating a new job potentially. So share me on your social media. Twitter @StocksToGo. Twitter @StocksToGo. My Instagram is CamTheMan363. Instagram is CamTheMan363. That's true, Tom, but you know, when it comes to a house, I'm always going to try and build my credit. It's for you know, it's just the way I prefer to not go all cash. I prefer to have investments longer term and putting my cash somewhere that can give me more cash flow than if I just put it all into a house. I feel like I can do better with my money. So that's really my goal with that. But alright, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. Click the icon earlier if I make new videos. Cheers, team, and go Hawks.